What's up guys, this is Rai, your boy from the Gold Coast. For those who want to come here in Gold Coast for travel or anything else, I am giving you some tips on where you can find some very low prices, authentic shoes and other things like luggages, t-shirts and clothings or anything. Now I'm going to Harbor Town. If you want to go to Harbor Town and you're from Surfers Paradise or somewhere near Surfers, Broad Beach or somewhere south, you need to ride the tram and you just need to stop at Southport Station, not Southport South, and then drop off at Southport Station and just walk around maybe 50 meters, 100 meters, where you can find some labels having the sign written with with stop B, and then there you can wait for a bus connection going to Harbor Town. I usually ride 704 because it's like the fastest bus route going to Harbor Town, because all the other buses like 719 I think they go to Harbor Town as well, but there are a lot of stops before going there. It's a different route. That's the 704 bus going to Harbor Town. I'm already at the bus, 704 bus going to Harbor Town, and in just maybe 15 to 20 minutes we'll be there. Here at Harbor Town Shopping Center. Every time I come here at Harbor Town, the first shop that I usually go is the Cotton On, and my favorite shop, JB Hi-Fi. There's a lot of Cotton On here in Australia, especially here in Gold Coast, but this Cotton On here is like the factory outlet. That's why it's cheaper here. So there are like $7, $15 shirts, $10, $20, and I even bought a $2 and a $3 sleeveless shirt here before. That's why if you really like to shop some clothing, you might come here so you can check if there are some clothing that you like. We go now to my favorite shop, JB Hi-Fi. I really love electronics and other gadgets, and always find it here really nice.
Yeah.
I've been to different shopping centers here in Gold Coast, especially in Pacific Fair and Australia Fair, and also I've been to Rubina, but I really don't like it there because I find those items like shoes and other clothing or some other luggages, things, bags, or anything, they're very expensive because I can compare the prices from there and here, and it's always much cheaper here. So every time I find really nice items there in other shopping centers, I feel like I don't like buying it anyways because I know maybe I can find it much cheaper here in Harbor Town. There are lots of stores here in Harbor Town, and the reason why this here is much cheaper than other shopping centers or malls, it's because this is like the factory outlet they have in Gold Coast. So basically all the prices here are much cheaper than the malls because it's their factory outlets. And there are lots of things, especially in shoes, in Nike store, that you cannot find in other malls. That's why if you find it, if you like it, then you better grab it. And they always have very nice sale items. They have some like 50% off sometimes, and if you're lucky enough, you can buy a lot of sale priced items. And this week is already like school holiday, that's why there are lots of people, even it's Tuesday. Billabong is an Australian brand, that's why you can find a lot of Billabong stores here in Australia. One of my favorite stores here in Harbour Town is Klein, but I don't usually shop there. I always just go there, try to find some nice items, and that's it, because most of the time it's really expensive. They also have Victoria's Secret here, but for me it's very expensive because I've been to Victoria's Secret shop in New York and it's really cheap there, but here I find it really expensive. This is Calvin Klein, my favorite shop, one of my favorite shops. As you can see, there are lots of sale items up to 70% off, like 40% here, 40 there, 14.95. And there is Under Armour, I mean, Converse, Adidas outlet, and the last one is the Nike store inside Adidas outlet. So they have some sale items here, like 30% off on shirts. So they have a lot of sale items, up to 30% off most of the footwears here. For example, this is 30% off footwear and it's $100, so probably it will only be $70. So that's cheap enough. Like, you cannot find these items on other shopping centers, and it might be really expensive, like more than $120, and it's not on sale. Now let's check Nike store. So let's check if they are having some really good sales here. Whoa, they're still having the additional 30% off. So that's additional 30% off entire wall. So for example, the original price is 230, but it is sale up to 140, and then you can have an additional 30% off, so it will be like maybe less than $100 already. So that's what makes it really nice here. And like this, it's 50% off the marked price, so it's 110, then 50% off. So that's really cheap. Probably it's like $65, $60, $55, $55. Ooh, a massive sale. Like this one, retail price is 180, but now it's only 120. So it's really cheap here. It's much cheaper than other shopping centers, because this is their factory outlet here in Gold Coast. You can have some items as low as 80 to 70.
No, don't run around, please.
There are also lots of shops to dine in here at Harbor Town. If you want to dine in, eat, if you're hungry, you can also dine in different restaurants here. You can basically find a lot of restaurants here, especially in the food court area. You can find it there. So this is basically the Asian food court here in Harbor Town, where you can find different Asian restaurants. And this is Filipino restaurant. So this is grilled, and for me this is the best burger restaurant here in Australia. If you're looking for some underwears, I think the most popular brand here in Australia is the Bonds, B-O-N-D-S, Bonds. So they have 40% off RRP also here in Puma. So they have $30, $30 shoes. They have $30 shoes here. I just found a $5 shirt. Really nice. Look at.
When I wake in the morning, I see the light pouring from my
This is just $5, guys. $5. Look at the tag.
I was conscious, but I could see I'm in love.
It's just $5. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna buy this. I just bought a $5 shirt, guys. $5. Really happy for today. See that, guys? I got $5 shorts. 2 shorts for $5. Just $10 for 2 shorts. Whoa! And that's basically a glimpse of Harbor Town. And if you wanted to come here in Gold Coast, to visit Gold Coast, and you want to find some really nice low priced items, especially shoes, and this is the place that you really need to visit because it's the cheapest, and like you can really find cheap shoes, clothing, and everything here in Harbor Town. And that's it, guys. So if you like I think this will be the end of my vlog, and I think I have already toured you around. If you like my videos, just please like and then subscribe, and then you can comment down below for any suggestions on what do you want to see here in Gold Coast, and what are the things you wanted me to vlog about Gold Coast. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you next time. Bye.